Bonjour à tous, salut tout le monde. Moi c'est Adèle from Ace French and I'm here to help you become an ace at French. Today we keep on talking about the 5 most difficult parts of learning French, and today I'm giving you tips to help you practice more and more and more so that you really become this ace that you want to be. C'est parti, on y va! The first and most important thing I want to tell you is practice, practice, practice. And when I say practice, I mean from real life situations. It's always good to practice in books, to do exercises and lines of conjugation and grammar. But from my experience, it's way more efficient if you associate your study of French to something real to you, to something tangible. If you can even associate a sense like touching, smelling, seeing, listening, your memorization of what you're doing is going to be way more efficient. So for instance, what you could do is to just tell aloud what you're seeing, what you're doing, what you're observing, what you're thinking. You can also talk about what you did last weekend, what you're going to do tonight or the next weekend. All of these real things you would talk about are really going to help you remember for a long time what you've been practicing. Everything you're going to say in a real-life situation is really going to stay longer in your memory. And now, concrete examples. I'm going to show you what is a real-life situation, guys. Some examples now to practice in real-life situations. Je regarde par la fenêtre et je vois des maisons. Je vois aussi des arbres et des voitures. Je sens le vent. J'entends les voitures et le bruit de la ville. Je prends un bâton. Je prends un bâton. Je prends un livre. Je prends un livre. Je lis le livre. Je lis le livre. Je bois un verre d'eau. Je bois un verre d'eau. Je sens une fleur. Je sens une fleur. Something else that helps a lot if you want to practice in a good way is to switch the perspective, the angle. Par exemple, in the sentence, je vois des maisons. I see houses. Je vois des maisons. Here it's the first simple sentence. You can switch the subject. This is what I mean by the perspective. And you can say now, Marcel, tu vois des maisons. Tu vois des maisons. And then after you can say, nous voyons des maisons. Or even, on voit des maisons. So this is what I mean, switching the perspective but staying with the same context, same situation, helps a lot also to reinforce and to consolidate what you've been practicing. You can switch the subject, but you can also switch the vocabulary or the number of the things you are actually saying. From je vois des maisons, I can also say je vois des arbres. I'm switching the vocab. Or I can say je vois une maison bleue. I'm getting more specific about what I'm seeing exactly. So switch, turn around a same sentence to make it really yours and solid in your French knowledge. These first tips were more to help you practice your French speaking skills. Of course, you want to practice also your French understanding skills. And if you're not living in a French-speaking country, it's a bit difficult to get used to the way the native speakers are actually speaking. So, not big news here. Podcasts, videos, movies, everything in French, as much as possible. My last and most efficient advice for you guys is to find a French native speaker and to practice with him or her as often as you can. Find a good teacher, a French tutor, a colleague, a French relative or friend, and try to nicely ask for their time or pay for them if you want a teacher or a tutor. I'm sure there's a bunch of very good ones. And you speak as much and as often as you can with them. This is really this kind of real life situations that going to help bring your French to the next level and become an ace at French. Now it's your time to speak, to work and practice. Tell me, what is the most challenging part when you learn French? What caused you the most trouble to bring your French to the next level? Or if you are already a very good French speaker, what helped you consolidate and build up good French knowledge? Tell me guys, share, and I would be happy to learn more about you too. Merci beaucoup pour aujourd'hui, bon courage dans votre apprentissage du français, good luck with learning French, and I'll see you soon guys. À bientôt, salut tout le monde, ciao ciao.